Hi, you want to know how you can actually automate your entire content marketing with just a simple prompt? Let me show you how you can do that. Hi, my name is Arshad Kahani, and today I'm going to showcase our FlowHunt content marketing AI project. So this is in the AI Factory section, which I highlighted in the previous video on how you can create new projects. So if you don't know how to do that, check that out above. And I just want to showcase what the possibilities are, basically. So if we were to go to our project here, you can see that we have 3 different tasks open and they run every single day. So what runs every single day is that every single day this project does competitor analysis and content opportunity scanning. So every single day it checks our competitors, it sees what blog posts they're posting, and then it creates a competitor analysis for us for our content strategy, of course. Then we have weekly AI news monitoring and content generation. So every single day it goes through every single week it goes through all the different top AI news and chooses the most impressive ones and creates content based off of that. Weekly Google Search Console and analysis of content roadmap. So it checks our Google Search Console, sees our numbers, and then it gives us a roadmap on what is beneficial for the future. Now, since this entire project is running based off of this system, so we have our supervisor up top here, and we have our multiple different agents. So we have a content writer, we have a GSC performance analyst, a GA4 event analyst, an image generator for all our content, and then we have a research paper analyst for all the different AI news and stuff every single week. If we have research papers, it actually goes through all of those and it utilizes this specific agent. And of course, if we want to, we can actually add new agents. So let's say I want to create an agent that, let's say, focuses on AI news. So AI news expert researcher. Generate. And now it's going to add this new agent to my list of agents. So at the moment we have the supervisor and then 4 agents. There's going to be a new sub-agent added, which is a specialist in extracting and analyzing AI news. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, there we go. So now we have our AI news expert. So it added a system prompt and a persona. Very good, very good. Let's actually switch it over to Haiku. Here we have it. And let's allow it to use all of the tools. So if we go to this add tool section, you can see, of course, we have 964 different components and tools. So if we were to click on this, it would dynamically discover which tools it needs, and then it uses them proactively. So if I were to now go to chat, use your AI news expert to fetch this week's important AI news. So now, of course, we're talking to the supervisor, but the supervisor knows that, okay, let's see. Now it's delegating the task to another coworker. So now you can see the AI agent name is the AI's AI news expert researcher. Fetch and summarize this week's most important AI news. Focus on breaking developments, significant announcements, research breakthroughs, and industry trends from the past 7 days. So now you can see on the bottom, we have 2 different agents. If I were to switch to the other agent, I can see exactly what it's doing. So what the supervisor agent did is that it delegated this task to that separate agent. That agent starts to run in the background, and then it grabs the information that agent generated, and it's going to give it to me. So now you can see that the AI news expert is now searching through DuckDuckGo, through Google, through Arxiv, and multiple different queries on Google in order to find the latest news on AI. So we're just gonna wait for this agent to do its thing, and then I'm gonna show you what the result looks like. Okay, so done. I've shut down the AI expert researcher. As you can see, the researcher is done researching. And now if we were to go up here and check what the news is, so this week's AI news, April 6th to 13th, 2026, the headline, Quality Collapse Paradox. The most significant story isn't about new models, it's about sustainability crisis. AI accelerated coding is 40% faster, but producing 23% more production bugs. Okay, perfect. Some new models, Cloud Mythos and Gemini 4 and Veo 4. Cloud Mythos is actually a pretty big deal this week, and all the other things. So I can actually create, since we have this new agent, I can go to the issue section, create a new issue, and make this task something that is repeated every single week, something that I can control, something that I can come back to, or I can just simply use the chat feature to do this whenever I want. So this is like an overview of what an actual production level project can look like. So this is like a content marketing for FlowHunt. All these tasks get done every week, every day, or every year, and automatically they just do its thing without any kind of human intervention. Of course, whenever human input is needed, you can see it here in the human input needed section, and then you can take action based off of what the AI agent actually needs. So just read through this, see what it needs, and then you can leave a comment so that it actually goes further, goes back to in progress, and then hopefully it'll be done. So